Hello students, today we are going to start the topic mode of measure of central tendency. So we know that you have studied mode. Mode is the most repeated data. The data which occurs mostly is called your mode. Now in this table we need to find out the mode. It is very simple, just you need to check which data has the maximum frequency. You can see that number of students are most in this data, so the mode will be your 3. So our answer is mode is 3. Nothing we have to do more. Now I am taking another question. The following table gives the weekly wages of the workers in factory. Now first thing we need to calculate the model class. Here the intervals are given, so we need to find out the model class. Model class is the class which have the maximum frequency. So here you can see that maximum frequency is 20. So model class will be your 55 to 60. Now it is saying the number of workers getting weekly wages below 80. Now the number of workers, those who are getting weekly wages below 80 is are these. Because here you have 80, so all the workers are below 80. Below 80 are these, so we need to add all of them. So adding, for this I will get 5 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9 plus 6. So here we will have the answer. Here 5, 25, 35, 45, 45 and 60. Total answer is 60 here. Now it is asking the number of workers getting rupees 65 or more but less than 85. 65 or more. So here you can see that 65 or more are here. Okay, it starts from here, and less than 85 will be. So I need to add all of them. So here 10 plus 9 plus 6 plus 12. I need to add these. So here I will have 10, 19. 19 plus 6 is your 25, 35, 35, 37. So here you will have total answer is 37. Now here we have the topic estimation of mode from histogram. So we have to draw the histogram and then we have to find out the mode. So here to draw the histogram we need to take a graph paper, and here always you will draw classes here. Okay. Now classes is starting from 0. Here you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay. Now frequency, you can see we have these frequencies. So let us start. I am taking here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you want you can take the interval of 1 also, it doesn't matter. Now to draw the histogram from 0 to 10 it is 2. So from 0 to 10 it is 2 here. So I will draw like this way, just like you have drawn bar graph. Then from 10 to 20 we have 8. Then from 10 to 20 I will draw 8 like this way here. Then 10. Then we have 5. Then 4. And then 3. Now to find out the mode, first thing we need to take the biggest one. Now in the biggest, here from this point, okay, from this point I will draw a line from here, and from here where the starting point of the next is, we will draw the lines like this way. Okay. Now from this point I need to draw a straight line down. Now here you can see that on 23 we have our mode. This point is 23 here, so our mode will be your 23. This is how we need to draw the histogram and to find out the mode.